What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm sorry if you are one of the victims of the hurricane. Just remember that as long as you're alive, it's all good. You can build up from there. Your life is the most important thing. But as I was watching the hurricane and watching everything that happened, my Aunt Pat actually lives in the area that got hit really, really hard in Panama City. So I messaged her and was talking to her about it, and she was sending me videos of her friends' Facebooks and stuff, like pretty much videos that her friends were posting that were there, of all this different stuff, and just different videos that they were posting that they saw. So I'm just gonna share with you all the videos that I saw. And yeah, I hope you guys think it's interesting. I don't want to say enjoy it, because you shouldn't enjoy like them getting destroyed, but I hope you guys think it's interesting, and hope some of these videos you haven't seen before. And yeah, anyway, also guys, remember to get your t-shirts linked down below, because I'll also have a little link right here. But you got to get those t-shirts in 20 days. You will not be able to buy the t-shirts anymore. My dog's having a heart attack. You won't be able to have those t-shirts anymore, because they're only on sale for 20 days. Then I'm taking them down, and I won't have them up until I don't know when. It depends on how good these do, and if you guys want some more. Without further ado, here are some of the craziest clips that I found. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found this informative. I hope that you're praying for all the victims of the hurricane, because they need it. Also, there's a lot of people that are putting in their own time, going over there, helping people rebuild, helping people pick up trash and stuff like that. If you are one of those people, I salute you. That is awesome. So just thank you for all your views. Thank you for all your time, guys. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button right down there. Also, like this video and leave a comment down below telling me what happened to you during the hurricane, or your craziest hurricane story. Peace out and stay scumpy.